Some say boomers destroyed opportunity for the next generations, and in many ways, that's maybe true. But it wasn't intentional. It was situational. It was the economy. When I bought my first condo in 1984, everything worked. Interest rates were falling, wages were rising, housing was affordable, and appreciation was real. I paid for the down payment with my credit card. 40 years later, I don't have a credit card that could put the down payment on the very same condo. Today, home prices outpace income, mortgage rates could go anywhere, and ownership ties you down instead of setting you free. Today, real estate isn't a wealth builder, it's a wealth trap. You pour most of your savings into one asset in one place, praying the neighborhood stays safe and hoping the real estate value grows. 70% of your wealth is not diversification, it's exposure. The modern middle class needs flexibility, not concrete. Investment, insurance, and diversified portfolios are what real estate used to be: stable, tax-advantaged, and accessible. Your wealth should move with you, not trap you. Boomers built wealth by owning fixed assets in a growing world. You will build wealth by staying mobile, diversified, and tax-smart in a changing one. Mobility is the new wealth. Liquidity is freedom. The future belongs to those who aren't cemented in place. Contact a safer wealth advisor to start your journey today.